Hi there, and welcome to our product demo series. Whether you're hosting webcasts to generate leads, build thought leadership, or educate your audience, engagement is critical for success. If you're struggling to create active engagement with your audience, then we have the solution for you. Today, we'll be showing you how to reimagine your webcasts with Lobby Experience, the fully interactive pre- and post-webcast destination, exclusively available with our studio webcasting platform. With Lobby Experience, you can turn one-time webcasts into unique, value-driven experiences. Use Lobby Experience to extend the engagement of a single webcast and capture your audience's interest before and after the live presentation through pre- and post-webcast lobbies. In the lobbies, registrants can view and download content through interactive widgets days before the live session and be served different content once the live session is complete. Let's show you how it works. Setting up a lobby is easy. You can set up your lobby after you create a new webcast using our studio platform. When you first access the Lobby Experience editor, you are given pre-made templates for your pre- and post-webcast lobbies. They can be customized and configured as needed. Each lobby is unique and can contain different content. They're fully responsive and powered by our interactive widgets. There are a wide range of widgets available, with even more in development. Now that you've seen the setup, let's show you some examples of what pre- and post-webcast lobbies look like and how they help extend your webcast engagement. When you use a pre-webcast lobby, you no longer have to wait until the live session to connect with your audience. Upon registration, participants land in the pre-webcast lobby where they can download content, submit questions, chat with other participants, and more. After your webcast is complete, a post-webcast lobby starts the follow-up process immediately. At the conclusion of the webcast, attendees are placed into a lobby where they can fill out a post-webcast survey, download additional content, and register for upcoming and popular webcasts. As an important note, both pre- and post-webcast lobbies remain accessible during your presentation's on-demand period. With Lobby Experience, you will increase your audience engagement, improve webcast performance, better understand your audience, and maximize ROI. Thanks for watching this product demo video. We hope you enjoyed learning about Lobby Experience and how it can help you reimagine your webcast engagement. To learn more about our webcasting solutions or to set up a personalized demo, contact us today.